Looking for a reliable antenna extension cable that delivers strong reception without signal loss? The 120-inch, 305 cm extension cable is designed with precision to keep your audio crystal clear and your installation hassle-free. It's built for both everyday users and professional installers who demand quality and performance. What sets this cable apart is its inclusion of 150 pF impedance matching capacitors. These capacitors prevent signal loss, ensuring your radio signal remains strong even over longer distances. Whether you're upgrading your car's antenna or replacing old components, this cable maintains the integrity of your connection. Engineered with real-world use in mind, this extension cable has been thoroughly tested to guarantee a secure fit and reliable function. It's long enough to reach the back of your radio easily, making installation straightforward and stress-free. No more guessing if your cable will fit or work properly, it just does. Users across the United States have praised this product for its quality and fast shipping. One Corvette owner, restoring a 1979 model, found it the perfect length and quality to replace questionable parts during a frame-off restoration. The cable provided excellent reception and made installation simple, with no regrets. Another satisfied customer replaced a broken-in glass antenna with a Metra on-glass antenna and used this extension cable to connect it to their radio. Despite concerns about quality variations in imported cables, this one delivered strong reception and solid build quality, proving it's a dependable choice. If you want a product that combines good quality with a fair price, this 120-inch antenna extension cable is worth considering. It's designed to prevent signal loss, fit securely, and perform consistently, making it a smart investment for your vehicle's audio system. Whether you're restoring a classic car or upgrading your radio setup, this cable makes the process easier and more reliable. If that's you, this extension cable could be the missing piece for better reception and a cleaner signal. Try it when you're ready to upgrade your antenna system. With proven performance and positive reviews backing it up, this cable offers peace of mind and clear sound for your driving experience.